Exclusive residential project. Submit your UI today. Project highlights land parcel 12 acres. Total towers 7 towers, tilt plus 32 height. Total units 442 premium residences. Only 2 apartments per floor for maximum privacy. Total 5 high-speed lifts including personal lifts. Grand double height lobby. Grand double height lobby. Italian marble flooring premium. Wooden flooring in all the bedrooms. VRV air conditioning systems. Configuration 3 BHK plus servant 2700 to 2800 square feet approx. 4 BHK plus servant 3800 to 3900 square feet approx. Tentative price 17,000 to 18,000 rupees per square feet. Submit your UI today to secure your priority access. For more information like site plans, pricing and details, kindly message me Prateek for more information. My name is Shwetang Ghosh from Ghosh & Ghosh Associates. If you like the video, please share, follow and subscribe. Thank you.